In this video, we show how to replace the GPU shroud in a PowerEdge R7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove a GPU shroud with the cover and risers 1, 3, 5 removed, lift up on the shroud and remove. To install a GPU shroud, align it with the system, lower it into the system. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R7725, visit dell.com/support.